Dr. Rebecca Brown from Brown Chiropractic, and we're here with our Testimonial Tuesday. And I have Meg with me, who I'm very excited to interview because I have just met her for the first time today. She's come in to see Dr. Steve just in the last month, so she's new here. However, she has just told me she's been under chiropractic care for 20 years with probably 30 different chiropractors due to her husband's job where they move around a lot. And so she's got some great long-term experience to share with you. So why don't you start by telling you how you happened to come to our office?
I came here because my husband originally came here for some ailments he was having, and he had such great success that he said, you need to go see Dr. Brown and stop seeing the chiropractor that you're seeing because he's far away. Dr. Brown's close, and they're phenomenal.
Yeah, awesome. And what, you had a recent injury as well, right?
Yes, I suffered a slight concussion and a little bit of elbow and knee issue after the fall. And so this was a great opportunity to see what the office had to offer. The front desk was so friendly and welcoming. We currently see Dr. Steve. He was absolutely wonderful. He even adjusted my knee. And he has been doing a lot of cranial, cervical spine work, and it has really helped quite a bit.
Yeah, great. And tell me about, if you, I'd asked you if you'd never had chiropractic care, where would you be today? Because you have a long history of it, and why after all this time do you continue to come? What would have been, where would you be without it?
Well, as I mentioned, seeing a chiropractor to me is like anyone that goes to the dentist if something is wrong, or going to see your dental hygienist just for preventative oral health care. So taking care of your oral health, mental health, physical health, spinal health is to me primary. I would probably have chronic back pain, knee pain, hip pain, and probably chronic headaches. And I don't have any of that.
I always tell people sometimes the biggest benefit of chiropractic care you'll never know because it's so preventative in nature, and people continue to come when they see how good they can feel. You want to stay that way. You don't want to just wait for the pain to come back to treat it again.
If I could interject with that, it's almost like someone will say to me, oh, I've never seen a chiropractor, I feel fine. But you don't know how good you actually could feel. It's
more than just the absence of pain. There's a different level of function for sure. And you'd had some history of migraines as well, right?
Painless migraines, so I have no pain with them. But I get these vestibular disturbances. And so by a mere adjustment of the cervical spine in just the right way, which your doctors here are really great at pinpointing, I probably have them twice a year rather than once a month.
Wow, awesome. And I saw in your history that a long time ago you had a pretty severe bike accident and fractured your sacrum.
I fractured my sacrum and my tailbone in 7 fractures.
Wow.
My entire right side of my body went numb, especially my leg. That's what led me to find a chiropractor. Through several weeks of treatment, actually months, slowly through that spine health that affects the nerves, so all the organs and soft tissues of your body. I gained feeling back. And I said, I never want to feel that again. I never stopped seeing a chiropractor.
Yeah, that's great, because I think it's important to know, because a lot of people, I think, are scared to see a chiropractor if they've had a past injury like that or a history like that, and so they think that it might be, might be harmful for them or something, and it's just the opposite. Very, very safe methods for no matter what your history is. So anything else that you wanted to add before we part?
I would just add it's never too late.
Yes.
And if you're feeling good, you're going to feel better. And even if you have a baby that's a newborn, my grandkids are 3 and 5, and they see a chiropractor.
Fantastic.
And even if it's once a week, once a month, or a couple times a year, a few times is better than nothing at all.
Great. Well, please forward this video on to anyone who might have some of these issues or be fearful of chiropractic, maybe yourself. But thank you so much for your time.
No, thank
it's
you
great
all.
to meet you, and I
too.
appreciate your sharing your story with other people
Absolutely.
so
Thank
that they
you.
can be helped as well. So we'll see you next week for another Testimonial Tuesday.